Tai Chi is an ancient martial art. Taoism philosophy practice in Tai Chi, yin and yang balance, remain in the present moment, help one's awareness the whole body. Ni hao. My name is Dr. Wu. Today we're gonna doing 10-minute Tai Chi every day for 100 days. Everyone can follow me doing this easy Tai Chi. Now holding the ball. Then shift the center of gravity from the left heel to left toe. Then go to the right heel to right toe. Your tongue touch the roof of your mouth. You draw number 8 on the floor when you shift your weight. When you hold the ball on the left side, you imagine hold the sun with yang energy. When you go to the ball, holding the ball on the right side, you imagine holding the moon. It's yin energy. Yin and yang balance. This movement is help open up your middle channel and all the energy channel in your body. When you open up yourself, your body is just like a small universe. Then connect to the bigger universe in you. You are the universe. It all become one. Body, mind, spirit connected. You can produce whatever you need. That's called smart chi. Do whatever you need. But you need discipline. Every day, 100 days. You feel so good. That's why you continue. 100 days is in all martial art, Tai Chi and Qigong. It's part of the 100-day foundation. That's an ancient school. We do 100 days every day continually. But this 10-minute Tai Chi is for everyone. Doesn't matter how busy you are. Take your time off, just 10 minutes. This is very simple, but make you feel so good. In my Tai Chi and Qigong training, number one important question is, who am I? Who am I? have to be remind awareness yourself every day. Do Tai Chi Qigong practice, because when you slow down, you feel it, and bring awareness to your whole body. Right now you feel it, you move the whole body. Then next one is going to be Tai Chi begin. You feel like in the ocean waves. It's like the wave going up, the wave goes down. Next one, it's called washing window. Reverse. This movement is to shift the center of your body, the low dantian. When you move the body, the arm just follow your body. And shift the center of gravity from left foot until 100% right foot. Then from right foot, shift the gravity to left foot. Next one is cloud hand. Shift your weight from left foot to right foot. Now from left foot to right foot. Bring the chi to your palm. This is horse stand, called bring the chi to your palm. Now next one is called crossing hand. Enjoy life. Every day, Tai Chi 10 minutes.